You have an open house this weekend. No hiding from the gazing eyes in your closets and cupboards and bedrooms. It is odd having strangers walk through your home commenting on everything, but you need to sell. You don't want your house sitting on the market long, and you hope you did enough to remove the clutter and make your home inviting. Well, in this episode, I'm going to tell you 7 important areas in your home you need to declutter and depersonalize before an open house. Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Pope, a Toronto West-End Realtor specializing in helping people buy and sell real estate. So let's get right to it. Here are the 7 important areas in your home you need to declutter before an open house. First area is the front yard. As buyers are driving up to the property, they are already assessing what they see. Landscaping is important, but you also need to make sure garbage and recycling bins are removed from in front of the house. And all the potted plants should be at the bottom or the side of the porch. You don't want buyers maneuvering around plants to get into the house. And on a side note, if you prefer during the winter months, you could use lanterns instead of plants. They are so beautiful and add the same inviting touch. Add a welcome mat and you're done. The second area is the entranceway. There should be nothing but a welcome mat. And if there is a spot for flowers, I like to use orchids, that would be great too. Remove all the shoes from the front area. And if you have a coat closet, you don't want it overflowing with coats and shoes and hats. Keep minimal stuff in there during an open house. Third area is the hallway. There should be nothing in the hallways besides a runner maybe. You don't want to distract people when they're walking through your home. When it comes to photos and paintings in a hallway, it really depends on the size and the layout of the photos, and of course the width of the hallway. Personally, I advise my clients not to have anything hanging in the hallways during an open house. It should be a clear streamline for people to walk through while anticipating the next room. Fourth area are closets and cupboards. Yes, potential buyers will be opening your closets and your cupboards. They want to see the size and storage space. You don't need to empty the closets and cupboards before an open house, but it does need to look organized and not everything jammed in there, because potential buyers will think there's not enough space or storage in your home. Fifth area is the kitchen. It's where a lot of families gather. You want this space to feel open, so remove everything off the counter. Put some fresh flowers in a vase and put it on the kitchen table or the kitchen island. If you have a coffee maker or a nice looking espresso machine that's already on the counter, that's fine to keep there. It's not out of place and often gives the kitchen a more homey feeling. Now, if you have photos and magnets on your fridge though, that should be removed before an open house. You are depersonalizing. And be prepared for people to open your fridge, your stove, your dishwasher, all the appliances that are included in the purchase of your home. They're going to want to see the size and capacity, so keep that in mind. Sixth area is the bedroom. We already talked about closets, so the next step is to remove everything off the dressers and off the floor. Make the bed with neutral bed sheets and comforters. A few accent pillows would be great if you can. Buyers will look at the size of the bed and how it fits in the room. Remove all your family photos from the side table, even photos of your pets. I know they're the cutest things ever. I think my Lulu is the cutest dog ever, but I can't have photos of her hanging around during an open house. Buyers need to envision their family and their pets in the space. Seventh area is the bathroom. Once again, we did talk about closets and cupboards earlier. So the next step would be to ensure that there's no toothbrushes or makeup or kids' bath toys hanging around on the counter or the sink or the floors. If you have a glass shower, I tell clients before an open house, remove the shampoo, conditioner, and soap, and instead hang clean towels, plug in an air freshener, and you're done. So there you have it, 7 areas in your home that need to be decluttered and depersonalized before an open house. Of course, this could be a much longer video with a much longer list, but these are the areas I would focus on to declutter before an open house. Also, I created an open house checklist, which is coming quite handy for a lot of my clients. If you'd like a copy, just email me asking for the seller's open house checklist, and I'll be sure to send you a copy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this episode, and we'll see you in the next video.